go.
Where is the squirrel?
Over there.
It's a little, where?
Here. You can come here, see.
What? Where is it? It just chonked at me. Literally. I want to hear that noise. Oh my. Oh, it's over there. You hear that noise? It's like chonk, 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 chonk. It's from that tree. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. It's in this bush or tree over here. Listen. It should shunk or sunk anytime right now.
I'm going to leave.
Oh my goodness. That's so cute. I like that noise. It's like a chunk, 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 chunk. Oh my goodness. What? Pink. I love pink. This is so beautiful. I might have to take a picture here. Cheese. Okay, let's do this. Okay, does that work? Cheese. Oh, cheese. Let's listen for it. Well, there's no noise, so I guess this is a new video. Bye, guys. Love you guys so much. Please click the like and subscribe, and please follow me on Roblox. My username is SAKILUVYOU. So please follow me, and also, yeah. Also, please friend me. Well, I don't know if there's some chances you might friend me, or you might see me. I might see one of you guys' requests. Well, I have almost like 200 friends right now. I have almost over the friend limit. So hopefully you guys can catch up and do this. So yeah, bye guys, bye.